Let's be real, finding the time to cook healthy meals every day is tough, and meal delivery services have become a saving grace for a lot of us. But while most of these services offer prepackaged, mass-produced meals, CookUnity stands out by offering something more personal. Chef-crafted dishes that are delivered right to your door. Imagine getting restaurant-quality food from some of the best chefs without ever having to step outside or worry about chopping vegetables. That's what CookUnity promises to bring to the table, literally. In this review, I'm diving into everything you need to know about CookUnity. I'll share my experiences with the service, the quality of the meals, pricing, and more. Whether you're curious about signing up or just want to know if it's worth the hype, this is for you. Quick heads up, I've put affiliate links in the description for everything we've covered. If you use them, I earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which helps support the channel. CookUnity is essentially a meal delivery service, but with a twist. Unlike other services where meals are mass-produced and frozen or require some level of cooking, CookUnity works with individual chefs to prepare fresh, ready-to-eat meals. These chefs range from local culinary artists to some of the top chefs in the country. They design the meals, prepare them, and you get to enjoy the final product. It's like dining at a high-end restaurant, but at home. One of the biggest selling points for CookUnity is that it's not a one-size-fits-all service. They offer a wide variety of meals catering to different dietary needs, whether it's vegetarian, keto, gluten-free, you name it. You get to choose from rotating weekly menus with fresh, seasonal ingredients. CookUnity is also perfect for people who love good food but don't have the time or energy to cook it themselves. Now, using CookUnity is incredibly simple. Once you sign up, you can browse through all their available meals for your region. CookUnity operates in several cities across the US, and availability may vary depending on where you live. After you choose your meals, the chefs get to work preparing them with fresh ingredients. The meals are delivered fully cooked, so all you need to do is heat them up. The platform allows you to customize how many meals you want per week, anywhere from 4 to 16. If you're like me and sometimes just don't feel like cooking at all, the flexibility is godsend. You can also skip weeks if you're going on vacation or just want a break from the service. Plus, if you try something that's not your favorite or isn't to your liking, you can easily switch things up for the next week. The interface, whether you use their website or app, is very user-friendly. It takes just a few minutes to scroll through their menu, make your selections, and you're all set. I found the entire process to be hassle-free and intuitive, which is always a plus when you're juggling a busy schedule. Now let's talk about the menu, which is really where CookUnity shines. Each week you get a new selection of meals to choose from, featuring wide ranges of dishes from different cuisines. Whether you're craving Italian, Mexican, Asian, or classic American comfort food, CookUnity has something for you. You'll find everything from hearty steak dishes to lighter vegetarian options. What I love about CookUnity's menu is that it's created to different dietary needs without making you feel like you're sacrificing flavor. They have clearly labeled options for those following keto, paleo, vegetarian, or gluten-free diets. I appreciate this because as someone who occasionally lends towards healthier meals, it's nice to know I'm not stuck with boring salads. The best part is that the chefs rotate the menu each week based on the season, so you're not eating the same things over and over again. It keeps things exciting and you get to try something new every single week. I've had the opportunity to try dishes like Moroccan spiced lamb, a healthy shrimp and grits dish, and even a perfectly roasted chicken with seasonal veggies. Each meal has felt like it was carefully crafted rather than just slapped together. So how do these meals actually taste? Well, in one word, fantastic. I was genuinely surprised by the quality of the meals. Sometimes when you get pre-cooked food delivery, it can be a bit bland or feel like it's lost its freshness. This isn't the case with CookUnity. The flavors were bold, the ingredients tasted fresh, and the meals didn't feel like they had been sitting around for days. The portion sizes were another highlight. I wasn't left feeling hungry after finishing a meal, but at the same time, I didn't feel like I was overstuffed. Everything was balanced, the meals are restaurant quality, and it's clear that the chefs take pride in every single dish they create. It's the kind of food you'd want to serve if you're having friends over for a special dinner, but without the hours of prep and cooking. One thing to note is while the meals do arrive fresh, they do need to be eaten within a few days. You can refrigerate them, but they aren't meant to be sitting around for too long. That said, the reheating process is super easy. Most meals can be warmed up in the microwave or in the oven in just a few minutes, and they still taste fresh and delicious. The delivery process itself is reliable and seamless. My meals arrived in insulated packaging that kept everything at the right temperature, even when I wasn't home right away. The packaging is environmentally friendly too, which is always a nice touch. They do a good job of balancing eco-friendliness with functionality. Now let's talk about pricing, which is always a key factor when deciding if a service is worth it. CookUnity's pricing varies depending on how many meals you order each week. The more meals you order, the lower the price per meal. On average, you're looking at around 12 to 15 bucks per meal, which is a pretty solid deal considering the quality of the food you're getting. Now, is it the cheapest meal delivery service out there? No, but I wouldn't expect it to be. You're paying for chef-crafted, high-quality meals, and in my opinion, the price reflects that. If you regularly eat out or order takeout, CookUnity is likely to be a cheaper and healthier option overall. Plus, don't forget to check out the description for the best available discount. It can make a big difference in the total cost. Now, as far as experience, the customer service with CookUnity has been excellent. Anytime I had a question or needed to modify an order, their team was quick to respond and helpful. The website and app are also easy to use, making it simple to manage your account, adjusting your meal selection, or pause your subscription. Another thing worth mentioning is how transparent they are about their chefs and ingredients. Each meal shows you who the chef is with a little backstory on them. It adds a nice personal touch to the whole experience, making it feel more like you're supporting individual chefs than just ordering from a faceless operation. Moreover, CookUnity has several pros that make it stand out. First, the meals are high quality and chef prepared, offering a gourmet experience with every single delivery. The service also provides a wide variety of menu options, catering to specific dietary needs like keto, vegetarian, and gluten-free, making sure that there's something for everyone. In terms of convenience, CookUnity excels in easy-to-use delivery service and flexible meal plans. The packaging is environmentally friendly, which is a nice touch for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Most importantly, the meals taste fresh and flavorful, maintaining a restaurant quality standard. However, there are a few downsides. CookUnity is slightly more expensive than other meal delivery services, which might be a consideration for those on a budget. Additionally, it's not available in all regions, limiting accessibility for some potential customers. Lastly, since the meals are delivered fresh, they need to be consumed within a few days, which may require some immediate meal planning. So, is CookUnity worth it? Absolutely, especially if you're someone who loves good food but doesn't have the time or desire to cook. The convenience, quality, and variety make it stand out from the crowd of meal delivery services. It's like having your own personal chef without the hefty price tag. While it might not be the cheapest option, the price feels justified when you consider the quality of the meals. And if you're hesitating about the price, remember to check out the description down below for the available discount. All in all, CookUnity delivers on its promise of providing chef-crafted meals to your door, making it an excellent choice for busy professionals, food lovers, or anyone looking to elevate their meal game without stepping into the kitchen. Nevertheless, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking and subscribing to let us know how we did. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.